Hey YouTube, I hope you're all doing great. My name is Brian, and this is Simply Lost. So first of all, I want to say welcome to my channel. I'll take a few minutes to introduce myself. My name is Brian. I'm half American, half Mexican. Currently living in France. I've been in Europe for the past, 5 years off and on. I lived in Italy too for about 7 months. And now I'm going to move back to Florida in August. I'm going to be working as a PE teacher for little kids. So yeah, I decided to create this channel because I travel a lot and I wanted to share my adventures. From getting lost in the middle of nowhere with my best friend Alex, to skydiving, rafting, and all these crazy things. Right now I'm actually welcome back to the car. I was at the castle in Saint-Germain. It's about 20 minutes west of Paris by train. This is where I'm living now. And yeah, it's really nice. So this is where I'm kind of wandering off right now. Looks like there's a map there. Take a look at it. Not that I usually look at maps, but let's see what it says. So 13 kilometers, 4 hours, 18 kilometers. I think I'll do only like about 20 minutes and then I'm gonna go have lunch. At the beginning of July, I'm going to Mexico to visit family. I'm really looking forward to it. It's always fun over there. And there's a lot more to do, a lot more trails, adventures. And a couple days after I get there, I'm gonna go visit my godson in a small town about 8 hours away by car. So yeah, my godson's name is Alex. I've been sponsoring him for about 3 years now, I think, through my non-profit organization called Kinderaid. If you want to check it out, it's kinderaid.ngo. We basically give underprivileged children school supplies, clothing, food. And then last year we actually helped renovate a school, Alex's school, and it came out really nice. We painted it, I bought new school materials, and then built a little roof for their meetings or gatherings, because it's really hot over there and the sun is really strong. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. It was just a quick intro video to tell you why I created this channel. It's gonna be documenting my adventures. The next one being probably Mexico in July. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, click the like button. You can also subscribe so you can follow my adventures. And I guess if you hit the subscribe button, you have to click on the little bell icon so you get notified. So you get notified when I upload my next video. But if you don't, that's okay, because I don't think I've ever clicked on that button myself for any other channel. It's just too many notifications. Anyway, if you don't click on it, you just have to make sure you keep checking my channel so you know if I upload a new video and you can watch it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.